Is there much sugar in your tea? Is there much noise in your room? Is there much traffic on the road? Is there much pollution in your city? Is there much dust in your house? Do you need more time to finish the work? Do you want more information? Do you require more help with English? Do you eat most of your meals at home? Do you drink most of the juice yourself? Is there more noise in the class than yesterday? Is there more sugar in this tea than the last one? Is there more pollution in the city now? Is there more dust on the table than before? Is there more light in this room than the other one? Do you have much experience in this field? Is there more milk in the fridge? Is there more salt in the food today? Is most of your money spent on rent? Is most of the work already done? Is most of your free time used for watching TV? Is there more water in your bottle than mine? Is there more traffic on the road today than yesterday? Is there more milk in your cup than mine? Is there more oil in this dish than usual? Is there more information in this book than the old one? Do you spend much time on social media? Do you get much support from your friends? Do you drink much water daily? Do you have much homework today?